Am I audible, guys? Yeah, am I audible, guys? Yeah, I think there is some issue. Sound is coming twice. So, is it better now? Oh, yeah. All right. So, some of you already know me, and some of you already know about our company, right? So, people who already know me are been associated with GTS in some or other way, right? So, can you just ping so that I know how many people are there who knows me or GTS? Just you can say I know, I don't know, something like that in the chat box. Let's make it a very interactive and conversation kind of session. Okay, please type. I know, I don't know. Cool. So some of you already know. I think many people don't know. Yeah. So now what we're going to do is first I will tell you the agenda. I'm going to give a quick intro about myself, and then I will tell you a little bit about the company. Okay, and then about the selection process. Okay, so these are the three orders we will follow, and we will not get enough time for the introduction for all of you, so we will skip that. And in the upcoming days, we will gradually know each other. Whoever will be, continuing or will be able to be with us in the upcoming days. All right. So my name is Monoranjan Gorai. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me do it little different this time. I will open my LinkedIn profile. I just walk through quickly and okay. So yeah, so I have around 22 years of experience in the IT industry. Okay, I have worked on many well-known companies. So to name few, it would be like Wipro Technologies, HID Global, Sapient, etc. So they are top companies, and I have worked on top, you know, 10 companies project. When I say that, like they are top 10 in the world. So from banking wise, I'll say Lloyd's Banking Group. Okay, and in the e-commerce side, Carrefour, which is competitor of Amazon in European countries, and also Tesco. And yeah, I mean, like that, so many other projects are there. And technology wise, all Java J2E related technologies, end to end enterprise architecture, solution architecture, okay, technical, and very thorough with Java coding, and work with a lot of Java frameworks, and also very much hands on JavaScript code with so many different JavaScript languages. Other than that, very much proficient on cloud technologies. That includes thorough implementation on AWS, cloud from Google, and also Azure. Okay. Also, I would like to say about artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the latest technologies which evolving, like Chat GPT, generative AI, and all, with complete data analytics side. So that I have been proficient with. And also, I would like to add about the mobile apps world. So previously we used to do a lot of iOS, Android, and all, but nowadays we are going with hybrid mode, or more like JavaScript based frameworks, like React Native, Ionic, and all. Okay. So that is a little bit about me. And let me regarding my education, I had been with Bangalore University. Then I did my MBA in information system from Sikkim Manipal University. What else I tell you guys? Yeah, so maybe I'll pause for a second if you guys want to know anything else about me. Guys, anything? You can just speak out. If many people are speaking together, then I'll ask you to message in the chat box. No doubt, nothing. Cool. So I will then, yeah. Anybody try to say? Okay, cool. Regarding my company, this Gorai Technology Solution, it is started in 2020. Before that, also we had one more company called Gorai Global Solutions, and with a different name. So we changed the name, and from 2020, this is the name we are following. Okay. So our main business is developing product. So we have our own product platform that is called service platform, and in this platform we have so many vendors, like any individual companies, then people who provide some or other services. That you could be an engineer, or it could be any service provider like electrician, plumber, kind of service providers also. We'll talk about this more later on. So this is our platform, which is developed with all latest technologies. Other than that, we are doing IT consulting. So in fact, currently we are talking to some big vendors from IT company. That is where we are trying to do a very big recruitment in the next couple of months. So a lot of recruitment is going to happen in our organization in the IT field. Other than that, we have a vertical for training, where we give training for software development. Right, so we end to end prepare you. If you are fresher, or if you are from zero level, then also we bring you up to the speed to make you capable of doing job by giving you hands-on training. Okay. Even if you belong to different skill set, you can change your field, or you can upgrade your skills also for your promotion in your company, or go to the next leadership role, or the next roles basically. Okay. And yeah, I mean, there are few more things, like we have IT infrastructure related vendors, or collaborations. So any IT companies who might need any kind of help on the IT infrastructure, that also we provide. Okay. So that is about a little bit of our company, what we are and what we do, and how we do this. All you will see when you become a part of our company. Products and services I told you about, software development and consulting, and then okay, regarding different types of job roles. So these all job roles we give training, as well as we have open positions in those roles. So you see, mobile app developer, UI developer, Java developer, Python developer, DevOps engineer, business analyst, HR and recruiter, QA engineer, Scrum Master, data analyst, or data scientist on all these areas. Then technical or solution architect, enterprise architect, stack developer, IoT developer, and also a UX designer. Other than that, we are recruiting for sales and marketing also. We have some positions, and then uh, yeah, a few companies who are our customer already and vendors or we are collaborated with. So that's a quick intro about our company. Any question? Any doubt? So now let me tell you or start the selection process, right? So what I'm going to do is I will ask you a couple of questions, okay? So that you become interactive and it becomes more meaningful, okay? So why we are here today, here, right? So this is for the main purpose is the job, that job, which is driving us to be here together. You are also looking for a job. I am also looking for a job, right? How I am looking for a job is, if I am going to give you a job, that is my job. If I am not able to give you a job, then I don't have a job, basically. That is as simple as, right? So now, in your terms, I want to know what is that you are looking for, okay? Or for this session, right? So in just 2 3 words or sentences, just speak like what exactly you are looking for. You can just say I'm looking for a job. You can say that I'm training or internship or skills or anything which you are looking for. Some people might have joined just they want to see how what we are doing here. They are curious about to know about it. So whatever may be very transparent and honest to message, and then I will take the discussion forward. I'll hold for a few seconds. Please type it. Only few people. It should just take few seconds. Even if you are in mobile, do try to type it. It will be helpful for my reference. So many people are looking for job. Okay, most of you, and whether you are ready for it or not, that comes later. But we will see, right? Why, if you are ready, if you are not ready, and if you are ready, what is the next step? If you are not ready, what is the next step? Okay. So now I want to ask a question to all of you. To become job ready or to get a job, tell me uh, which qualities you need. Okay, so there are hundreds of qualities are required, but for you, which three qualities are most important? Okay, so please type what are the three qualities most important for you. Okay. You can write in comma separated or 1 2 3, and don't type it twice. Uh, just think it for a few seconds and then you write it. Okay, which three qualities you need to get a good job? Even you agree with somebody, and if it is, even if it is same comment, does not matter, but do type it and you know mention, because these all whatever you say, these are all going to be monitored and checked. So whatever you have the conversation, whatever interactive sessions you are going to happen, so your selection process is started already. Okay, so these all will be counted, whatever you say, your thought process. Okay, and I have highlighted your comments right now on the screen, so that is being recorded. You will be able to see it later on. So I see many places: skill, communication skill, coding, training, hands-on experience, knowledge. Very good. Yeah. Adaptability, very important. So I see. I think yeah, most of you have already done. If not done, you, even if you are late, does not matter. You type it. Okay. Even if we continue, you type it whenever it comes in your mind. That's fine. So these all things are required. Okay. Now just think the tragedy. Okay. The education system which we have, we are spending already 24 years of our age, and many of you, most of you, I would say 90% above, don't get job so easily. It is that only 5% to max 10% who get job after coming out from their college directly without any further training. Do you agree with all of you? Do you agree with me that after coming out from your graduation, again you have to go for some training, right? And why is that? Why government is not changing the education system? It is already different in other countries. Okay? You won't believe in France or in US and all. Those people will not have knowledge on so many things. Okay? Rather, they will have knowledge only on their particular field where which they want to build as their career. From childhood only, they are taught like that. So we learn many languages. We learn, yeah, sorry, network glitch. So we learn many languages, right? We learn so many different subjects, and after doing so much, okay, also we are not ready for job after 24 years. Okay, so that is not problem of you or me. It is a problem of our society or the political system who has forced her to be a part of that education system. Okay, but anyway, so but why it is important to understand is that now onwards, at least you spend your time, quality time, which helps you for your career. Okay, if you want to become make a political career, be with the political things only, and make sure your energy and is going most of the time there. Okay, if you want to become a software engineer, make sure your energy is going only on the software development side. What the IT companies are doing, what is the IT trend, what is the software development trend. Okay, so now, so that's a small speech, but now I will go through directly on the hands-on kind of selection process. Okay, so we have changed our selection process completely. Previously, we used to do interview for an hour or two. We used to ask many technical questions, which we expect that you need to remember everything and then come and then answer us. Okay, whoever will answer well, whoever will talk very well, communication is good, whose attitude is good, they walk away with the job offer. Again, we compare out of 100 people who are better, in that only 5 people get selected out of even thousands. Okay. So that process we have changed, and what we are going to adopt is, we don't we are not going to rely how much really you remember, how much questions you can answer. One by one, we are not going to ask that and verify your skills. What we want is your practical skills. We want to evaluate your practical skills. Okay. And when I say that, how we are going to do is, we are going to give you an assignment. Okay. It will be basically case study, and we want you to utilize the latest technologies, especially AI tools. Whether you use ChatGPT, use Bard, or use normal Google, YouTube, anything you want, do that. At the end, you should come up with a very good solution. Okay? Because when you are going to work in a company, you don't have to remember what is multiple inheritance. You don't have to remember what is certain formula, what is certain syntax. Yes, you need to have the understanding and the concept, but you don't have to remember each and everything. Okay. Yes, oops concept, you need to understand it, but it's okay if you are not able to tell the exact definition of it. That does not really matter. But if you are able to explain how you can utilize a particular concept of oops, that is more than enough. And that is what is required. So we give the case study, refer any content you want. You want to take any help from anybody, do that. Okay. But you should be in the position to demonstrate it very well after you basically implement your case study. Okay. So I see a hand raise from Priyanka. You have any question? Okay. Maybe it was by mistake from her. That's fine. So the case study which we are going to give you, okay. Few things I will tell you right away. You need to note them down. Or can anyone you know volunteer? Can anyone volunteer and write it down in the text box for everybody's benefit, please? Whoever will type first, I will give the opportunity to him. Message in the chat box, I will do. Whoever will type first, I will give that chance to him. Okay, done, done. Hold on. So it is Asafak Muhammad. So Muhammad, you are going to type it. Okay, I will tell you few things which are mandatory for this case study. Okay, so case study should once we give you, I will tell you the case study in high level verbally. Okay, so list. So type, listen the case study verbally. Type it. Listen the case study verbally. Huh? No, you message it. In the chat box. Put it in the chat box. Okay. Then convert it into technical requirement. I am spending time here so that you understand each step very well, and if you have any doubt you ask me right away. Okay, send it. Okay, convert it into technical requirement. Next is UX design if applicable. Architecture slash design slash diagram. Coding, unit testing, test automation if applicable, demo, feedback, list down improvement points, comma mistakes, and the lessons learned. Okay? So these are the things which are required. Okay? So when you are going to present basically, okay, after case study is given to you, you need to make sure these all things are network issue again. So these are the points which you have to make sure they are included. Right. So now you tell me, anybody has any question, any doubt? Yeah, cool. So it is, yeah. Test automation one. Give me 1 second. There is some noise. Give me 1 second. Yeah. So demo means once you complete your assignment, it could be in terms of only diagram, it could be in terms of coding or anything. Whatever you produce as a part solution of your case study, that you have to put a presentation in PPT or in other formats, right? And then you have to explain it in front of the team. And you have to explain in such a way they understand the requirement and they understand your solution very well. They will ask questions, you have to answer their questions. Okay. After that, they will give feedback about your demo, whatever you are presenting. So that is what is demo. Case study I will provide. Sorry, can you come again, please? It is applied for the Scrum Master also. So for Scrum Master or business analyst or analyst also, coding and design, those things will not be applicable. have other things to do. So that I will explain. Most, Mostly with all domain people. Yeah, they will write test automation coding, no? Selenium. For business analyst, also they have to do business architecture diagram. They might need to do UX diagram. Okay, and for Scrum Master, they might need to come up with organizational diagram. They might need to come with how, let's say, methodologies, development methodologies work, agile, Scrum, those kind of things. Okay, but I will guide you, don't worry. So if you have any question, if you don't understand for your field, for your case study, how you need to present it or what are the things need to be included, what is applicable, what is not applicable, you can ask me. I will tell you. And let me tell you one thing, see, whatever is being typed about those points, no, copy those text and keep it with you because once this meeting is closed, you may not be able to see it and to see it again, you have to follow the recording video. So rather, you copy it and keep it with you for your reference, which is very important. Next question. Sorry, it is applicable for DevOps engineers because you have to do cloud architecture, your infrastructure design, your deployment diagram, and your automation code. How you will be automating for your DevOps CI/CD pipelines and all. How will be creating your infrastructures through your code. It will be individual assignment, but case as study will be same. Assignment will be individual. For few people, it might be same. No, but I think that's a good point. Let me give you separate assignment to each one. That will be better. Or if there is a chance for taking help from each other and basically copy, try to copy it, and that time it will be a problem. So I will assign a separate case study. So Arvind is asking start time and end time. So start time will be today. I will be sending you the case study via email or WhatsApp. Okay? And your end time is this week. Okay, 1 week time max. Okay? But your job selection will happen how fast you can deliver it and with how much quality. Is it clear? Java based syllabus. Our requirement is in Java. Okay. Any more question? Okay. So let me tell you a couple of more things. Right. So once assignment is given to you, I have mentioned what are the things expected as a part of the assignment. You try to do of your best. So don't worry that you are not capable, you can't do anything. No. Even if you are able to do only one point among those, do that. Okay. Because somewhere you have to start your journey. Okay? Even if you are a fresher, you don't know anything, try to research online and do at least one or two out of those. Okay. That will help you to put into right category of our selection. When I say right category, we have three categories. First one is the job. So people who are capable enough, and you have already taken up some training professionally or by your self own, you will be eligible for job. If you are not eligible for job, next is your internship. And our internship is not a paid internship. Okay. Paid means if you are eligible for payment or eligible for stipend, then you will get a job directly. Okay. So people who are not eligible for job try out to be, go for an internship. So internship will be equivalent to the exact work, and you will get a work experience certificate also once you complete the internship. And that internship you can do for your college, you can do it for your for your experience building for future, anything. Okay, but we don't pay for the internship. We will pay you if you are eligible for job, and you will be recruited as an employee directly in that case. Clear for everybody? But internship will be absolutely free and will not be charging anything to you. Okay, absolutely free will be internship. Many companies will ask money for that. We will not. We don't do that. Okay. And once you get the internship done, we'll be helping out for getting a job also. For that also, we are not going to charge anything to you. Okay. So that is about the internship. And even if you are not okay, so if you are doing internship, basically you have to be self-disciplined and self-learner. These two minimum qualities you have to have. When I say self-learner, does not mean that everything you have to do yourself. No, we will give guidance, we will give mentorship, and we will give you a platform to do. So we have many training materials, training content, case studies. Our platform, we have YouTube channel with some. It's not a very professional YouTube channel, but some they will be very helpful for doing hands-on. You may not like the videos like professional videos, but if you follow thoroughly, you will be able to learn a lot of things more than the professional videos. That I can guarantee. So we have so many different techniques where we will be helping you out, but we will try not to spend much time on you, okay? So that you can learn yourself and get yourself ready. Is that clear? Any question? Yeah, correct. So, for example, let's say for a developer, you have to let's say you are Java Spring Boot developer, micro API developer. So you have to develop that microservice using Spring Boot, Java, database, caching, all these things. Okay, but DevOps engineer will work how to deploy that microservice in AWS cloud, how to create the CI/CD to automate the deployment, how to create the infrastructure. Okay, these all things. How to enable the logs, how to help infrastructure alert and monitoring. Those things will be done by the DevOps team. Yeah, yeah. One case study normally takes some minimum 1 day to a couple of days. Okay, so as fast you complete, you will get more case studies. Okay, so your internship duration will be for 6 months. Now, let's say you are already starting from level 5, but you are not able to get job because of some other gaps. Okay, and you are able to pick up or fill up those gaps in within 1 month. So you might be eligible to from internship to job position within 1 month. If you are slow, you take some more time, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months. So normally, if you are doing it thoroughly for 6 months, everybody who has completed 3 months thoroughly have got job, and not to in a some small companies. Company like Amazon, they have got job. CGI, Sapient, like that kind of big company they have got. Wipro, Infosys, and also this training is given in outside country. So in fact, I had driven a very big drive when I was in Paris for 3 years, and many colleges in Paris they take this internship. And the latest one lady got job in Amazon in Paris, and that too in as a business analyst. Okay. So, we just spoke with one person was talking about Scrum Master, right? So, there are people who got job as a Scrum Master as well as business analyst. Also, we give the training so well that they are getting job in outside. Has it answered your question? Okay. So let me move on. Okay. So people who are not eligible or cannot do the internship, for them you have to go for training. Okay. And that training is not free. It will be chargeable. Okay. But in the training, we are providing two modes. One mode is people who are fresher and people whose financial condition is not good. Okay. We will train them free of cost. Okay. And also will help you to get job. But after you get a job offer letter, then you have to pay us 2 months of salary. Okay. Whatever is there in your offer letter, that 2 months of salary you need to pay, and will be then only will be issuing the experience certificate to you. That is one mode. And the second mode is we charge around 10K per month or 60K for 6 months. Okay. So if we are giving the training to you and lump sum 60K you have to give, and then whatever job offer you get in that case, that is yours. That case, it will be only 60K which you need to pay us. But in the training, we will personally coach you starting from every theoretical to every programmatical to design to architecture to automation testing, your functional analysis, your debugging skill, each and everything, whatever is required for a typical software engineer, all qualities we are going to train. And that will be promised, and each topic will be covered to ensure you are going through all types of exercises to build your qualities and your expertise and skills which are required for a very good software engineer. And it is not that we are going to teach you something or somehow you will get a job. No, we will make you enable in such a way will get you will be eligible to get job in the top 5 companies in the world. And I gave you the example of Amazon. And maybe I can bring some of those people in our upcoming conversation or discussions who are already working in some big companies, right? They can talk about their stories, and you will get an opportunity to interact with them to check their health or how they did it when they were taking the training or internship from us. Case study will be assigned to you and guidance will be given to you. You have to proactively interact with us and you have to keep on doing the case studies. And when you do the studies, it's not that you will be in silo. So all the things which I told and mentioned, starting from your requirement analysis to demo and feedback, so you'll be working with the integrated team. So if you are, let's say, Java developer, you will have a very good interaction with business analyst team, your other developers, then DevOps engineers, QA engineers, right? So all different teams you will be integrated in the daily basis. So there will be a daily meeting setup where you have to come and you have to update your status, what you have done in the previous day, what is planned for today. If you have any blockers, you can take help from in the meeting, or offline. Some people will be assigned to you who will be helping you. DevOps role we have starting from architect, the high level, enterprise architect to DevOps lead to DevOps engineer. So how many years of experience you have? I would say everybody try for the job first. You don't underestimate yourself. Let's say even if you are a fresher, try out with the case study, and whatever best you can do, do it. You have 1 week of time. Okay, at least that will help you on that way. You will get to learn many things. Okay, okay. Hmm. Yes, yes, possible, possible. Y- Yeah, all different techniques you follow. You can use PPT for your theoretical demonstrations and diagrams and all. You can have your diagram tools itself, design tools, open them, and you can use your coding for all types of automations for your pipelines and all. So all different ways you can do it. So it should be more innovative, and whatever knowledge and skills you have already, try to demonstrate that. Whoever are there in this meeting, mostly that is what will be our first priority to do it. But there are many people who have joined our group but could not attend this meeting. That they also will be getting a chance based on our conversation with them. So many all people were not able to because the time does not fit good for everybody, right? The fixed time. But we are flexible. Some people who are not able to join, or even some people who won't be able to do right away. Okay, you can communicate to us that I am not free because of such reasons, and I want to do it after a few days. That is also okay for us. Once you start your relation with us, we keep it long, so we understand your problem. Same way, you would be have to cooperate with us in the upcoming time. Yeah. Anything else? Okay. So, regarding the assignments, our team will get back to you in your email ID or in WhatsApp number. Okay. So, keep watching your email ID and WhatsApp messages, and follow us in YouTube. I'll be posting this recording in YouTube, so that for your reference, so that you can see. And there are many training videos how people are already doing trainings and all. Some of them might be helpful for you. So do subscribe to our channel, and then take help as much as possible. Also, do follow us in social networking. Many people have come through LinkedIn and Facebook and all. So do connect there. So we'll be posting very important messages and upcoming requirements also. Then if you are not able to engage right away, right, in future there would be other opportunities also that might interest you. For that also, you would be able to engage with us. And our requirement is all over in the IT industry. Okay, starting from the development to all different roles which you have mentioned, 12, 13 roles, even in the sales, marketing, and different also. So we have some big projects upcoming. So for that, we will be requiring all types of skill sets in our organization. Okay. Finally, anything else, guys? Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. So I can show you quickly actually one offer letter. Just give me a second how it will look like. Let me know when you are able to see my screen. Give me a second. There is network issue. Okay, please confirm when you are able to see my screen. Can I see some message? Yes or no? It is visible. So this is how you get an offer letter. We scroll a little bit so that afterwards you can refer it and read it. What about others? Okay. Yeah, maybe you watch the recording in that case later on. So this is your offer letter. It should so after 1 week we will give you based on the first level of selection, and this is how is your work experience certificate. And remember one thing: this work experience and official records will be there in our organization, and wherever you go from now to 20 years later also, there will always will be employment verification. Okay, and also that verification for your training. So these records are being shown to them, and we make sure that it is officially being done. And we are very much particular about these trainings and these certificates. Okay? These are very much branded, and we don't do any kind of certification based on money. Okay? You will be eligible to get this work experience certificate only when you complete it properly. If you are not able to complete it properly, you will not be able to achieve this certificate. Okay, even for people who uh, you know um, are doing, if you even if you want to take 2 months more for the internship, that is fine. But we make sure that you learn everything, then only you go walk away with the certificate. We maintain the brand in such a way anybody comes from GTS, right? When any company sees the letter or says that I'm coming from GTS, they should know that yes, a genuine guy has come to me. Okay, so that is the brand we follow. Yeah, any question, guys? Yeah, not only help, it will help very much. Very much. Our these certificates are very much valued in US and UK, US, UK, and European countries. Because I was personally living in outside country in Europe and especially in Paris for a long time, and I was driving this there, and many people got trained and got good job, and our certificate is the same format. What else, guys? So that's fine. Even if you have certain doubts coming in later on that day, feel free to contact me. And your training or your case studies or whatever you are going to do, you know, do 100% focus on this, and try to spend your time morning 9 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock minimum, so that you can basically crack it, whatever may be. Even if you are not able to crack it, just believe me, in this journey, whatever you are going to do, that is going to give you a long term benefit in future. Even if you decide after 1 day, 2 day, or 5 days that you don't want to continue with GTS, that is absolutely okay. We are always will be open to help you in future, and also whatever you learn it in 1 day or 2 days, that itself is going to help you in future. Yeah, case study will be sent to your email or WhatsApp. So for now, like on your particular subjects, try to explore our YouTube videos and try to learn, so that it will be helpful. So the moment, because so many people are there, for some people it might be late also to give the case study, but it will come. So keep in touch with us, and okay then. So thanks everybody. Thanks for your time, and thanks for your interest in GTS. Wish you a very good selection, and wish you all the best so that you get engaged with us. Take care, guys. Thanks. Thanks.